I just got back from the American Academy of Dermatology meeting. It is our biggest conference of the year, and I'm going to spill the tea with you in this video exactly about what I learned there. I'm Dr. Maren Locke. I'm known here on YouTube as the Budget Dermatologist. Make sure you are subscribed for more skincare made simple content, and come find me on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. If I could tell you the one thing that dermatologists are prioritizing right now, it's not more or better actives. It's not layered skincare and more steps in your skincare routine. It's fixing and protecting your skin barrier. Our goal is to help your skin function better. Across the lectures, conversations, and discussions I had with brands about what they are prioritizing right now, there are very clear themes. Overtreated skin is everywhere, skin sensitivity is increasing, and barrier repair is becoming the foundation of good skincare. So instead of layering more and more actives, dermatologists are focusing on calming inflammation, restoring lipids, and helping your skin hold on to moisture long term. And I actually got to put this to test in real life while I was there. I partnered up with Aveeno this year to put their new Skin Relief line to the test as I traveled out west to Denver, Colorado, where the conference was this year. Because if you've ever been to Colorado, you know that your skin gets dry fast, especially for me traveling from the Florida humidity to Denver altitude. I knew the transition would absolutely stress my skin. So I was very intentional about what I brought with me, and I even started adding these skin relief products into my routine before I left to make sure that my skin was moisturized ahead of this trip. I also put up a question box on my Instagram stories for you all to ask me questions about the skin relief line that I could bring directly to the Aveeno R&D team on site at the AAD, as well as answer my own questions that I had about the brand. I wanted to learn as much as I could about the science and research behind their products and why they work so well. As a dermatologist, I have been recommending Aveeno to my patients in my dermatology clinic for years. I've been using it on my family for years. I especially recommend this to people with sensitive skin. So you can imagine that I was so excited to delve deeper into the why behind the results that I see with the Aveeno products. So throughout this video, I'm going to be answering those questions. So let's get into it. This is one of the products I used the entire trip. It's the Aveeno Skin Relief Healing Ointment. And what stood out to me is that this gives you the benefits of a traditional ointment-like protection and repair, but without the heavy, greasy feel. What else makes this unique is that it doesn't have petrolatum in it like traditional ointments, but rather 40% glycerin, which helps provide up to 72 hours of moisture. As a dermatologist who treats a lot of patients with skin barrier damage and even conditions like eczema, I know that ointments are a mainstay of therapy, but I've seen that compliance from my patients can be so low because of that greasy feel. That's why I love and recommend the Skin Relief Healing Ointment. Instead of that feeling of it just sitting on top of your skin like most ointments, this actually felt like it absorbed in. And I find that my patients like this feel better. Therefore, they are more compliant and actually able to keep up with using it so their skin stays moisturized. So one of the questions I got was actually, how do you incorporate this into your skincare routine? So I recommend this product to fix dry, cracked, or chafed skin. I used this consistently while I was in Denver on my hands, cuticles, and especially on the lips, which are personally the areas that I always notice cracking and drying out the most when I switch climates. And that is why I brought the Skin Relief Healing Ointment with me. And what I noticed was that my skin never even got to the point of feeling tight, cracked, or uncomfortable, even in that super dry Denver environment. And honestly, that's the goal of barrier care. You want to prevent the breakdown before it happens. The other product I was diligent about using while I was there was this one, the Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion, which I love to pair with the healing ointment. This one keeps the skin hydrated for 72 hours. I was so busy during this conference. I wanted to just put my lotion on at night before bed and then be able to get up and go and not have to worry about it in the morning and just know that my skin's hydration would hold up throughout the day. So this was the perfect solution. Now let's talk about what actually makes these so effective, because this is where it gets interesting. And I got a ton of questions specifically about the oat in Aveeno products. And this is where I spent a lot of time digging into the research at the AAD and talking with the Aveeno scientists. The key ingredient system here is something called the triple oat complex. Oat is one of those ingredients that's been used in dermatology for decades. This isn't new for Aveeno. In fact, colloidal oatmeal is FDA recognized as a skin protectant, and it's been studied extensively for things like eczema, irritation, itching, and barrier dysfunction. What's unique here about these Aveeno products is that it's not just one form of oat, it's 3: oat extract, oat flour, and oat oil, hence the name triple oat. Oat extract will help reduce discomfort that's caused by irritated or dry skin. Oat flour helps soothe the skin and balance your pH, and the oat oil provides skin-like lipids that keep the skin fortified. So instead of just giving you one benefit, it's working within the skin's surface. What's unique about oat is that it's not just soothing on the surface, it's actually helping support the skin barrier at a deeper level. It has been shown to help support components of the skin barrier, including ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and filaggrin. So it's not just calming the skin, it's helping it function better. And if you haven't heard of filaggrin before, it is a really important protein in your skin. It helps your skin retain water and maintain a healthy barrier. Some people, especially those with dry or sensitive skin, naturally have lower levels of filaggrin, which is why they tend to benefit so much from ingredients like this that help support and reinforce the barrier, like these oat-based formulations that are found in the Skin Relief line. In fact, I put this story up on my Instagram where I shared a bit more personally about why I love Aveeno so much, and I got a lot of messages back from people who echo my experience, many of whom said that certain Aveeno products helped improve their skin as well. All of the science behind the Aveeno triple oat complex lines up exactly with what we are seeing in dermatology. Barrier repair isn't just about adding moisture, it's about reducing inflammation, rebuilding structure, and preventing water loss over time. Another thing I personally liked about this formulation is that it's a petrolatum-free alternative. Instead, it uses glycerin as the skin protectant, which pulls moisture into the skin rather than just sitting on top. So you are getting hydration, protection, and barrier support, but in a way that actually feels lightweight and wearable. And this is where a product like Skin Relief Healing Ointment can really fit into real life, because it's not about having a 10-step routine to protect your skin barrier. It's about having a product that you can reach for when your skin needs support, if you have dry hands, chapped lips, cracked heels, or just travel dryness. Basically anywhere the skin barrier is compromised. So this was tried and true for me in the dry climate during my recent travels and with my patients who are working to repair their skin barrier. So if there's one thing I want you to take away from what I learned at the American Academy of Dermatology meeting this year, it's this: your skin doesn't need more stress, it needs more support. And that starts with protecting and repairing your skin barrier. I have the Skin Relief Healing Ointment and the lotion linked in the description of this video. Check them out to support your skin, provide lasting hydration, and repair your skin during times of stress, irritation, or damage. Make sure you are subscribed before you head out. Come find me on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.